They're all rare. Not one. I could not find a video on any one of these items. I literally had to do a video. Like, it's only right? What's her name?
Warisha.
How you say it?
Warisha.
Walisha.
Yeah. Warisha.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. No, I'm just joking. I'm stop being ghetto. But for real, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm doing a different kind of video because clearly we can't shop. So this is not a shopping haul. I will be talking about my outfit that I have on and where you can cop it from because I got it from a super dope online black retailer who is just phenomenal. She has her own little store and she's just starting, but the clothing that she sells is everything. The name of the place is called Val's Quality Fashion. I will leave a link below. Everything is quality. Everything is amazing. Everything is like, this is sexy, right? Fire. And then these pants also came from there. Like, I mean, I have a little bit of a pouch, but we gonna pretend I don't. Okay. But anyway, these pants came from there, and I wanted to wear this outfit specifically because of my reveal. Yes, I have a reveal. I'm showing you guys some things. And I wasn't even gonna do this video because we have a lot going on in the world right now. We have a lot going on. And I just don't want to seem like a jerk, you know? So, first of all, if you think I'm a jerk, I'm sorry. Second of all, these are items that I got for Christmas. And then my husband got me a really dope anniversary gift that I'm hype about. And it is literally epic and orgasmic, I hope, because I haven't seen it yet. But I'm hype, okay? Another disclaimer, I don't buy new stuff. If you buy new stuff and you must have new stuff, good for freaking you. So, let's start off with the biggest item, right? Because I like the biggest, the best, and the prettiest, okay? And this was the biggest thing that I got. And I got this for Christmas. Like, first of all, the box was huge. I didn't know what was in the box. And when I opened the box, I literally almost fainted. So, let me show y'all what I got. Christian Dior luggage. Like, isn't it crazy? Like, it's so dope. And then it says Christian Dior right here. Try not to show my nails because they look like Corona. Okay. Anyway, says it there, and like this bag is literally mint condition. Like, it's freaking perfect. The only flaws that it had, almost mint condition, I guess. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's not really showing up on camera, but there's like a little spot, like maybe some tea. That's what I was thinking because there's another spot inside that's similar, but like a little spot right there that you really don't even notice. And then on the inside there was another spot. You can see it right over here. But like everything else says Christian Dior. Can you see it? I don't know if it's showing. But like all of this has Christian Dior word written, like saying. It says Christian Dior all over. Like a million times all over. And then the same thing on the bottom. And then it has like a pocket. And like, it's everything. Like, every freaking thing. Like, I just love it. Okay? And it's the perfect size because it's carry-on size. So I don't like to take the ones where I have to go on the plane, that have to go under the plane. I take a Samsonite when I have to go on the plane. Why? Because I'm not about to have y'all going through my stuff, and I'm not about to have nobody trying to steal my stuff, and I'm not about to have my nice luggage getting all banged up. Like, do you know how much it costs? Like, that's a no. Okay? It doesn't feel good. So this, I don't have to worry about that. I can breathe. It is literally a carry-on. It goes above the thing. The only time I would feel nervous is if like somebody else put their carry-on luggage next to mine and like scooted mine around or something. Then I'll probably want to punch them in the face. But like otherwise, you know, like I just feel good because it's close to me, it's next to me. And when I'm walking through the airport, I just look like that bitch. Like, yes, you know. And Christian Dior to me is just so classic and classy. So this was the first thing that I wanted to show you guys that I could not find on eBay. I mean, could not find on YouTube to show or to see myself, and I had to do a video to show you guys. So item number one is my Christian Dior carry-on luggage. The second thing was this. Yes, and it came with a dust bag. Here's the dust bag that it came in. I just recorded this video and the whole thing, the battery died, so I had to re-record the video, so that's what's not in the dust bag. But it came in this dust bag, and it was this right here. And it's just so fire. It's big. compared to like my chest. Like it's pretty big, you know. Got a nice, really, really long strap. It can absolutely be crossbody all day. Like all day. No problem. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just a very cute bag. You gotta go to the mall. You don't even want to like you're trying to be dope, but you're dope. This is the one you throw on. Understated but not understated. Classy but not too flashy. Like fire. Period. I love MCM, and I only have one other MCM bag, and I love them both. I have the mini Boston little bucket joint that Anaya Ivy got. So fire. So freaking cute. That's the second thing I got. And then the last item, that's a reveal item, but not the last item, because we have an unboxing, y'all. Like a crazy, epic, insane, stupid, dumb unboxing. Like if you are not dumb, you'll wait to the end, okay? Period. Okay, so this is the third thing that I got. Now, this was not a Christmas or anniversary gift. This was a Walisha, you love yourself, girl gift. And I got it. And it's just so fire. I'd never seen it before. So I had to do the video on it. This is not the Dragon Mary, whatever. This is actually a handbag. And I'll try to list the name of it below. Because I had to really look hard for it. Like to figure out what this bag was called. Like could not find it anywhere. And I had to put it in the Google search. And finally that guy came up. And it was something with an S. Louis Vuitton something. And it's just, you know, it's fire. Like I like this bag so much. The thing that I like about it though, I think, is that it's big. You know, like look at that. Look at how much of my arm. This is so stupid. But look at how much of my arm can fit in there. Like my whole forearm. That's mad arm in my bag. I can fit my camera, my phone, my wallet, money, a little jacket. Like I can fit everything. This thing is mad big. It still got the little keep fresh thing in there, which I appreciate, you know, but it's mad big, mad nice. Like I'm in love. I stand. I love it. So, and it's in pretty good condition. Like I said before, it's vintage, so I don't need it to be perfect. I prefer vintage because I want to wear my stuff. Okay, I want to wear it, and I don't want to be scared to wear it, and I don't want to feel like, oh no, be careful. No, it's just a bag. It's Louis Vuitton, but it's just a bag. Like, I just want to be able to sit down comfortably and let it chill. Like, y'all be tripping. So when you buy them pre-loved like this, you can trip less. Get like me. Okay, so but anyway, this bag, again, this can also be crossbody. Let's see. Crossbody. Boom, it comes up a little bit higher. Almost like to your stomach. But it's cute. I like it a lot. Regularly, it's dope too. So, yeah. Okay, the last thing is an unboxing. Now, I got to put gloves on, y'all, because it's coronavirus. Okay, and this came from Japan. And I know everything is going down in Wuhan, but shit, you won't get me. So, I'm putting on my gloves. Now, I have not seen this item in person. I did get to see a picture. This is my anniversary gift from my baby. I just love my man so much. And I'm really hyped. Like, I'm hyped that I put my gloves on because I don't want to touch this without gloves. This FedEx box, I'm turning it around so y'all can't see my address. And I didn't go to the door because I'm not playing with nobody right now. Nobody will be breathing on me. So, I'm terrible at opening these boxes up. Horrible. Ooh. Alright, if y'all want to know how scared I am of corona, this box came in March, beginning of March. And I'm just now opening it because I don't know what kind of germs are on it, and I got gloves on. But I wanted to stop before I went too far because I need y'all to be here with me. So we've just opened the top of the box. I haven't taken out my gift yet. Oh, why does my eye itch and I can't scratch it? Ugh. Anyway, here we go. What do y'all think it is? What do you think it is? My outfit inspired this as a hint. That's a hint. I'm gonna piece out my pants, but hint, hint, hint. What do y'all think it is? So down in the comments, I'm gonna give y'all a second to subscribe because I have all the dopeness on my channel and you don't want to miss it. And 2, I'm gonna give y'all a second to guess what you think it is. Like, guess in the comments below, and then here we go. Okay. So we're taking it out the box. My heart is beating so fast. Can y'all see what it is through the... Oh, my heart is like boom, 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 boom. Okay. Let me stop cheesing. I can't. Okay, I'm gonna try. Alright. I got... It's beautiful. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me calm down. This is the Chanel camera bag, the vintage patent leather. Oh my gosh. Chanel camera bag. Of course, it's authentic. You know, it's got the Chanel in there and the other side. Made in Italy. Wait. Made in Italy. Inside the pocket. We got a serial number, you guys. Yes. Oh my gosh. Like, it did have like somewhere on the picture, but like in person, who cares? Like, this is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to look up to see the rules on how to clean patent leather because I don't want it to mess up the shine. And I absolutely have to clean it because it was all over the world, you know. But I'm in love. So I'm hyped. This is what I got. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I hope that you guys are as excited as I am. And I hope you guys are just, you know, happy to be able to see some things that aren't on YouTube that nobody else has. And they're super rare, but they're vintage. And they just mean so much to me. And I just love it. Ah, so nice. So thank you, babe. I love my man. And I love my bag. And it's so much better than I expected. They showed me like some of the problems, and it's just like right there, there's a little bit of area there where the piping is a little messed up, but like other than that, oh, and right here, this right there's a little bit of a piping problem, but like other than that, this is perfect. And like I think this might be like top 3. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. So please leave a comment below, tell me what you think. I hope I didn't just bore y'all to death with all of my excitement, but this is real. Like, this is my first time seeing it with y'all, so in person, and I just am in love. Leave a comment below, like I said, and tell me what you think. I'm gonna put it on my shoulder. I wish I could have sanitized it. Maybe I'll just hit the hand sanitizer. This is bad. I shouldn't do this, but I'd rather do this than take a chance, right? So we'll just do that for now. And I want to see what it looks like, so I'm just gonna put it on, and it comes down to the perfect length. However, I don't feel like this is crossbody. Well, it's okay. It's everything. Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, rate, subscribe. Please go check out my girl Val's Quality Fashions. This shirt, my dope pants, all of that came from her. I love her store. I love everything that she has, and it's amazing quality. Like, you won't get any cheap shit, you know. So I thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my channel. And please hit the subscribe button to see when I'll make more videos, because I'm very sporadic. I try to do it. I try to give y'all a schedule, and then my life says no. So if you want to know when I'm putting out a video, you gotta subscribe. You gotta hit that bell, or else you won't know, because shit, I don't be knowing. So, you know. Thank you all. I love you all. I'll see you all soon. Bye.